साइज तक आएगा 3 या 4 फीट तक गोरिल्ला
इसमें बिस्किट
स्मॉल बिग्स रियल
डॉग
रियल टाइप्स
Dog and tiger.
So guys, we are in part 2 of Vikas Trading here. Like you would have seen the last video, it's completely about plastic toys and all different kinds of board games, all those things. And now we have come to soft toys. They have separate section. It's like 3 rooms where they have complete soft toys here. So we'll start with the basic ones. Like we'll show all different kinds of designs and collection.
इधर वो ये मिनीज आएगा सुपरमैन
Super soft.
हाँ सुपर सॉफ्ट है क्वालिटी अच्छा है इसका जो
हम्म।
ही अंदर का रुई आता है ना वो वाटर प्रूफ है ठीक है इसमें साइज छोटा बड़ा सभी आता है
ठीक है।
और इधर
ये सब कितना रेंज में आता है?
ये है ये 95 से स्टार्ट होता है
स्टार्ट होता है।
हाँ।
ठीक है। क्वालिटी के
इस-
ऊपर,
हाँ,
साइज के ऊपर।
हाँ क्वालिटी के ऊपर इसमें छोटा रहेगा तो 95 उससे बड़ा
हम्म।
120
ठीक है।
2000 तक
कैंगरू,
हाँ कंगारू है इसमें
और
मारियो
है। हाँ।
मारियो आता है एलिफेंट एंड एलिफेंट में इसमें भी कलर आएगा इसमें भी कलर आएगा
ठीक है।
अलग अलग डोरेमोन
ये मैरियो में सभी साइज आएगा ना?
हाँ साइज
हाँ,
आएगा
हाँ।
छोटा बड़ा मीडियम आएगा
ठीक है।
और ये वाला डोरेमोन आएगा
डोरेमोन।
हाँ ये क्वालिटी अच्छा है
बहुत सॉफ्ट है।
हाँ सॉफ्ट
So these are like super soft toys guys, like
ये देखो ये टॉम एंड जेरी
Tom and Jerry.
हाँ टॉम एंड जेरी है
They have it in all qualities. Whichever quality which suits you, you can buy here.
ये देखो ये मछली है
ठीक है।
फिश ये सुपर
Shark.
सॉफ्ट आएगा
ओ,
इसको
ये
हाँ
super soft
सुपर
है,
सॉफ्ट है ऐसा
बहुत
खींचना है तो लंबा होता है
हाँ, बहुत soft
हाँ
है।
ये देखो ऐसा क्वालिटी अच्छा अच्छा
ठीक है।
छोटा बड़ा मीडियम सब
Okay, you have different colors. Whatever he's showing is like these are super soft toys.
ये डॉगी
ठीक है।
डॉगी पिकाचू डक
हाँ,
हाँ अलग अलग मॉडल्स
अलग-अलग size.
हाँ अलग अलग साइज
You can see this
यूनिकॉर्न विद इतना इस फिश डॉलफिश
fish जैसा।
हाँ ऐसा आता बेल जैसा डॉगी आता है इसमें सुपरमैन
So they have Marvel series like Hulk, Superman, Iron Man,
कैप्टन अमेरिका
Captain
Thor.
America.
ऐसा अलग अलग पूरा सब। ऐसा ये माउस
Okay.
हाँ माउस
All these are like super soft toys.
हाँ सुपर सॉफ्ट पूरा पांडा ऐसा एलिफेंट
Elephant.
हाँ ऐसे इसका पूरा साइज
So you
छोटा
can
बड़ा
see here like whatever I showed you now, they have all sizes in that. It's not like it's the same size or colors.
डक
The
इसमें एक छोटा सा
fur वाला ये
हाँ फर वाला ऐसा आता है
sound आता
निकाला तो साउंड आता है
है।
इसमें छोटे से बिग साइज तक आएगा 3 या 4 फीट तक
ठीक है।
बनाना
ठीक है।
बिग बनाना
Very nice item.
You can see like all these are super soft toys.
ऐसा बेल डॉग
Dogs,
डॉग स्मॉल बिग मीडियम
all sizes in dogs. Donald Duck. Very soft.
स्मेल विद पेड़ी
Teddy bears. And you can see like elephants,
एलिफेंट्स
Mickey Mouse.
स्मॉल बेबी
Sleeping baby. Very nice quality.
बढ़िया quality है.
इसमें ऐसा अलग अलग यूनिकॉर्न छोटा बड़ा
You
मीडियम
can see different colors in unicorn toys, and all these are like super soft toys.
ऐसा बिग साइज
These are like premium quality. They even have normal quality in these things. Okay. Pink Panther.
ऐसा डॉल इसमें 12 कलर आएगा अलग अलग
ठीक है. So we get 12 colors in this. Smiley teddies. You see this.
Small 12 colors.
जनवरी फर्स्ट अप्रैल
Okay.
ऐसा
Pillows with numbers, letters.
ABC
Even these are like super soft. see this aloo bhujia theme.
Cartoon mix.
Cornetos.
Cornetos.
The tiger,
And they have tiger dolls.
dog,
Dogs.
small, big,
Deer large.
big size.
Big size dolls. Okay.
Duck, big size.
You can see this. बहुत heavy है. It's a soft or heavy.
हाँ, soft बड़ा आता है, अच्छा.
See
Pillows,
this pillow, soft pillows
smiley
for kids.
pillows, pig pillow,
Peppa Pig.
pig, ऐसा Mickey,
ठीक है.
black, a gorilla.
इसमें भी साउंड आता है क्या?
ना, ये सादा वाला है, इसमें साउंड नहीं आएगा. फिर ऐसा वाला है.
And you can see like kitties, minions, bigger ones, like all this in the cupboard. Mini size kitties.
हाँ, इसमें
Mini size
36,
all character.
all character 36.
And you
40
can see in
models.
that cupboard like they have almost 30 to 40 models in that small size characters like Marvel, kitties, minions. They even have this Squid Game models.
Elephant.
So they have different varieties in small kit and small toys.
It's a small tiger,
Smurfs.
small,
This is Squid Game.
small.
You can see like all these are super soft toys, not normal soft. These are premium ones.
There are hearts.
Peppa Pig. Heart shaped.
It's a two-in-one.
Okay. So you can see this. And
Big size.
they have big panda.
Big panda.
Ah. Acha. So you have big panda.
Big super soft teddy. Doll. Strawberry.
ठीक है. Spider-Man है.
Small, medium, big. All
And you get all sizes in the Spider-Man. ये सब कितना पड़ेगा? ये सब
ये सब 95 से स्टार्ट है. 95, 120, 380, 580, 1080, 2000, 3000 तक साइज आता है, छोटा बड़ा.
ठीक है, ठीक है. See this. They have lots of collection in soft toys.
MRP ज़्यादा है तो पेज में.
This kind of thing.
बकरा. Small, big. ये पूरा full range.
And you can see all different kinds of ranges toys here. ये कितना पड़ेगा?
ये पड़ेगा 380, 280 साइज.
साइज के
हाँ,
ऊपर.
साइज के ऊपर.
ठीक है.
फिर ऐसा लगा डिफरेंट आइटम विद कवर.
Packing.
हाँ, पैकिंग क्वालिटी बेस्ट.
You can see super soft packing toys. Teddies,
with Avengers.
Iron Mans, Pikachu, pillows, and they even have the swing. Zula. ये कितना होगा?
ये 220.
ठीक है. ये भी soft.
सॉफ्ट.
Soft है. ठीक है.
हाँ. स्मॉल साइज डॉल.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Keychain जैसा.
हाँ, किचन जैसा.
So all these are small size keychains.
स्मॉल तो बिग साइज.
Okay. All varieties they have, and they have bags also here. School bags like
Open this one, open quality item.
theme based.
Quality है.
हाँ. Zip. कितना zip आएगा इसमें?
डबल जिप है.
Double zip.
डबल साइड
You can see the quality, guys.
Quality
These
very
are
nice.
high quality bags.
में
Back
12
side.
मॉडल.
For kids. They have for girls, boys, all teams.
Tom and Jerry, Mickey
Tom and Jerry, Mickey Mouse. Tom and Jerry, Mickey Mouse.
School bag is all very good.
Big size.
Genial quality.
All these are nice quality products. They are very okay. You can see woolen kind of material.
Side bag.
Side bags.
30 rupees starting. ठीक है.
So they even have side back pockets. And this will start from 30 rupees. You have different designs in there. You can see this. All different designs. All sizes.
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
12 model.
Smileys.
Smiley.
Frozen.
Frozen theme.
Frozen.
Pencil pouch and
Different model.
Cocomelon.
Watermelon.
and,
Cat.
Cat, dog. So they have lots of designs. It's not one or two you get here.
This the pencil pouch.
Fish. Dolphin type.
Dolphin type. These are pencil pouch for kids.
House pencil pouch.
House theme.
Very small teddy.
Quality item.
Okay. Small teddy. Keychain
Quality.
kind of thing. Soft toys. And this kind of dolls.
MRP. Quality item with packing.
With packing and MRP you get soft toys.
Different model. Quality item.
Doraemon.
All character है. Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig, Minions. You
Doraemon.
name it, you have all the characters.
Characters.
And they have even the keychain pictures. You can see all
Biggest size
different
teddy bear.
keychains.
Packing
12 piece set.
हाँ
ठीक है.
12 piece set.
So you get like this.
Teddy, Ganesha,
You get all kinds of keychains.
elephant, smiley, for a mixed variety. Birds. Full Avengers.
Avengers theme, normal keychains, everything they have here. You can see like tags, these kind of tags. ठीक है.
Yes, single items. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90. Full range available with lock.
With lock.
Small, big, medium.
With lock.
Budding.
Letters.
Letters too.
Okay. So we'll
Coppers. Watch.
you can see this.
Very full range.
So they have small chairs and dolls hanging over here in all price ranges.
Big size.
बड़ा वाला.
Is the big size.
So,
Tigers.
guys, you can see this big size tigers.
Full big size.
Okay. So they have like these kind of toys in almost like
Tiger,
all
full big
characters.
size.
They have
Dogs. Real.
dog.
Real types.
Dog and tiger.
So whatever you saw that side is like sort of premium kind of thing, and here also they have soft toys, but these are not super soft, normal soft toys. In this also you have all ranges. ये कितने से start होगा ये सब?
ये 65 से
65 से start.
स्मॉल साइज है 6
हाँ.
बड़ा साइज था 1080
ठीक है.
1400 ठीक है.
So you can see like they have put all the collections here. They have all kinds of teddies.
The hard teddy,
Hard teddy, soft teddy.
hard jacket.
ठीक है.
These are full range variety.
So they have all full range here. They have one more room. They have skating boards also here. You can see skateboards here. They have a skateboard, and we'll be going to other room where they have other set of soft toys. So even this room has huge collection. These are like low quality and like you'll get it at very less price. All these toys. So it's packet. So this kind of small packet. Small teddies. Like these are not super soft. These are low quality soft toys. Dolls. Spider-Man. Small teddy. Small teddy. Small jacket. That's it for today, guys. Hope you have seen the full video. They have lots of collections in soft toys. If you have any suggestions for us to explore more products, please put that in comment box. We will explore those products as well. And that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.